I have reviewed a lot of air fryers, but none quite like this. This is pretty neat. I like to call myself the air fryer queen. I did not have a working oven for over 4 years and I did everything in the air fryer. So I kind of feel like I know what's up. And this one, very cool. So I've never seen one that kind of looks like this before, but check this out. So I do love that it is glass. So this comes all the way out. Ooh, it's actually heavier than I expected it, but that's pretty neat. You do have this little like handle here on this side. Obviously the glass is going to be piping hot. So when you are pulling this out, you're not gonna wanna grab the glass. You need to be careful. It is like any other air fryer. It's like any glass coming out of the oven, it's gonna be hot. So I do love that they have this on this side, because all those other air fryers, I've had ones where, you know, over time, because you're holding all that weight just on this handle, the handle will break off. But now that you have this, obviously it's gonna help distribute the weight. It also comes with this like nice little, like they're calling it a coaster, but you know, you can just kind of put that down and you can literally just like serve it right out of here, which I think is cool. Then you also do have the little basket if you want to use it. At first I was a little bit confused because there was only this, but that is just meant to be, you know, you put it down, and then this, when it is not hot anymore, or if you want to take a fork, you would use this to fish it out of the bottom. So obviously that definitely makes sense for sure. And the fact that this comes like all the way out like this, and like the fact that you can see through this, this is so easy to clean. My air fryer is nothing like this, and it is really hard to clean. After a couple uses, even though I clean it, it still looks filthy. So I think that's really neat. Never seen that before. So this obviously just goes right inside here, and you slide it all the way back. Of course, it needs to be plugged in. And then as soon as you touch this here, then you have a little touch screen. You do have a bunch of presets. You've got like shrimp, steak, or like meat in general. You have fries, you have chicken, you have fish, and then like a whole little chicken right here. Of course, you can adjust your temperatures as well. And the other thing with like a glass one, which I think is cool, you can actually see it cooking. Because in mine, I often will pull it out and check it, because if you use an air fryer, you know it is a lot of trial and error, opening it up, taking a quick little look. But now you can actually just see it right through here, which I think is really cool. So yeah, I like the way it looks. I like that it doesn't take up too much room on the counter, easy to clean. The fact that it slides all the way out and you can get that, you know, nice clean. You have the little handle here on this side. Honestly, one of the coolest ones I've seen.